Whoa, this sucks. This is from all like the fires and stuff like that. Like at the front of our condo. There's the pool. My pool. That I can't stand to be in because it smells too smoky. So this is my beach look. And if I lived here, I would probably, maybe not all the time, but when I come to the beach, I'm not really this, you know, tan, hardcore, that kind of thing at all. I come to surf and skimboard, so I'm an active beacher. Alright, so here's my bathroom. Amazing. No, just kidding. Okay, this is how paranoid I am. Let me see if I can like switch this. I have to always move like the days and the months and like make sure this is all correct. Is that a little OCD? I think it is. It might be. Because I think I have a little OCD in me. That's what art school does for you. There's this really nice homeless guy right here. He's really nice. Hey, mister. You're on candy camera. I want one of these. Alright, so we are in my fabulous, fabulous closet because I know you guys are probably dying to see what an amazing closet I have at the beach. No, I'm totally kidding because it's very, very tiny. I'm really a light packer. I think that's what a lot of traveling does to you, maybe? I don't know. You learn to pack extremely light, especially like when I was in Europe. Yeah, I was a very light packer. So yeah, I'm pretty light. I have like drawers and stuff. Alright, there's my one pair of shoes. Actually, I have another one. Right there. Right there. My other pair of shoes. And then my couple of articles of clothing that are hanging. Oh yeah, H&M cardigan. And yeah, H&M skirt. Rockin' Republic jeans. Isn't it just an amazing wardrobe? And then got a little beach chair here. This isn't mine though. I think this is my dad's boss's wife. Got a little bouncy ball. Amazing. Let me see here. It's so smoky out. See, I'm not lying. I really do have more clothes. I say, wait, no. Yeah.